Morning chat at the bus stop. Hi, Sarah. It's a bit rainy today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Good morning, Mark.
I don't usually see you at this bus stop.
I take this bus to work every day. You?
My bike is getting repaired this week.
Oh, that explains why you are here.
I hope the repair is not too expensive.
Me too. Biking to work is much cheaper.
And it's good exercise in the morning.
That's true. It really wakes you up.
How's your week going so far?
It's been busy, but everything is okay.
You look a little tired. Are you sure?
Well, I am working on a new project.
A new project. That sounds interesting.
It is, but it has a tight deadline.
I understand. Don't work too hard.
I will try not to. Thanks for asking.
By the way, I grabbed a coffee earlier.
Good idea. It helps on a rainy day.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I just want to relax.
Maybe you could watch a new movie.
That sounds like a great plan. Any ideas?
I heard the new action movie is good.
I like action movies. I might see it.
What about you? What will you do?
I'm visiting my parents this weekend.
That's nice. Say hello to them for me.
I will. They always ask about my colleagues.
It's kind of them to remember me. Designana. It's kind of them to remember me.
They have good memories. It's a gift.
I think our bus is coming now.
Oh, you are right. I see it.
Thanks for the chat. It was nice.
Yes, it was. It made the wait shorter.
Have a good day at the office, Sarah.
You too, Mark. See you at work.
Let me know how the project goes.
I will definitely keep you updated.
And I hope your bike is fixed soon.
Thanks. I miss my morning bike ride.
Well, let's get on the bus now.
Okay, after you. Have a great day.
A rainy morning coffee chat. Good morning, Sarah. Thanks for being on time.
Good morning, Mark. Of course. I got your message.
It's a bit rainy today, isn't it?
Yes, but it's actually quite nice and cozy in here. Send.
I agree. I grabbed a quick coffee before work.
Me too. This place has the best lattes.
I saw your bike outside. You biked in this weather?
Yes, it was just a light drizzle. I have a good raincoat.
That's brave. I decided to take the bus today.
The bus is a good choice on rainy mornings.
So, what did you want to talk about?
I just wanted to catch up before our big meeting.
Good idea. Are you ready for the presentation?
I think so. I reviewed my slides last night.
You look a little tired, to be honest.
I am a bit. I stayed up late.
Oh, was it because of the presentation?
No, not really. I was working on a personal project.
A personal project. That sounds interesting.
It's just a small website I'm building for fun.
Really? What kind of website is it?
It's a blog about sustainable living and gardening.
Wow, I didn't know you were into gardening.
It's a new hobby, but I really enjoy it.
That's great. Hobbies are important for relaxing.
I agree. It helps me clear my head after work.
You seem very passionate about it.
I am. It's nice to create something on my own.
Do you have a garden at your apartment?
Just a small balcony garden with some herbs and flowers.
That's lovely. I can barely keep a plant alive.
It's easier than you think. You just need some sun.
Maybe you can give me some tips sometime.
Of course. I'd be happy to help you start.
Thanks. But are you really okay? You seem distracted.
Sorry. Yes. I was just thinking about a bug on my website.
A technical problem? Maybe I can help with that.
That would be great. I'll show you after work.
Perfect. It's almost 9 o'clock now.
Oh, you're right. We should probably go.
Yes. We don't want to be late for the meeting.
Let's finish our coffee and head over.
Sounds like a plan. This was a nice chat.
I agree. It's good to talk about things other than work.
Definitely. It makes the day feel more balanced.
I feel the same way. It's a nice start to the day.
All right, I'm ready to go. Shall we?
Yes, let's go. I feel more awake now.
Great. Let's hope the meeting goes well.
I'm sure it will. We are well prepared.
A rainy morning coffee chat. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for coming on time.
Of course, Mark, I'm always punctual.
The weather is a bit wet today.
Yes, the rain slowed down the traffic.
I'm glad I didn't bike to work.
That would have been a very bad idea.
Definitely. Shall we get some coffee?
Yes, let's go. I need something warm.
What would you like to have?
A latte sounds perfect for this morning.
Good choice. I will get an Americano.
Okay, I will find a table for us.
Here's your latte. Be careful. It's hot.
Thank you. This looks really nice.
So, are you ready for the big meeting?
I think so. I prepared all weekend.
You always work so hard on your part.
Thanks. I just want to do a good job.
But you seem a little distracted today.
Well, I am a bit nervous about it.
Are you really okay? You can tell me.
It's just the usual stress before a presentation.
I understand that feeling completely.
How do you usually deal with it?
I try to focus on my breathing.
That sounds like a simple, good tip.
It helps me to stay calm and focused.
I will try that before my turn to speak.
Sure, you will do great, Sarah.
Your support really helps. Thank you.
We are a team, after all.
Yes, that's true. It's good to remember.
Did you have any fun over the weekend?
Not really. Just work and more work.
You should take a break after this.
I plan to. Maybe watch a new movie.
That's a great way to relax your mind.
What about you? Any plans for next weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather is good.
Hiking is a great way to get fresh air.
Exactly. It helps me clear my head.
We should probably go to the office now.
You are right. It's almost 9 o'clock.
Okay, let's finish our coffee and go.
It was nice chatting before our busy day.
I agree. It was a good start to the day.
Let's do this again sometime soon.
Definitely. See you at the meeting.
A rainy Monday morning. Good morning, Sarah. The rain is here again.
It is. Good morning, Mark. You look a bit wet.
Yes. I biked to work today. It was just a light rain.
That's brave of you. Do you want some coffee?
I'd love some. Thanks. It will warm me up.
Here you go. So, how was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and read a book.
That sounds very peaceful. What did you read?
A new mystery novel. I really enjoyed it. What about you?
I tried a new recipe for pasta on Saturday.
Oh, really? Was it a success?
It was surprisingly delicious. I can share it.
Please do. I'm always looking for new ideas.
Of course. By the way, you seem a little tired today.
Am I? I guess I didn't sleep very well last night.
Are you really okay? I hope it's nothing serious.
No, not at all. I just watched a movie too late.
I understand that. Which movie did you see?
A classic science fiction. One. It was quite long.
Those can really keep you awake. I prefer comedies.
Comedies are great for relaxing. I agree with that.
Exactly. So, are you ready for the big Monday meeting?
I think so. I prepared my presentation notes yesterday.
That's smart. I should have done that too.
There's still time. The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
You're right. Thanks for the friendly reminder.
No problem. We should probably get to our desks soon.
Yes. Let's start the week. It was nice talking.
You too, Sarah. Let's catch up more during lunch.
That's a good plan. See you later, Mark.
Okay. Enjoy your coffee in the morning.
Thanks. You too. Try to stay dry today.
I will try my best. My jacket is pretty waterproof.
That's good to have in this city's weather.
Definitely. It's a must-have item for sure.
I agree completely. I have a similar one.
Smart choice. It makes the rainy commute much easier.
It really does. Well, I see my computer is waiting.
Mine too. The work is calling our names.
Let's go. Have a productive morning.
You as well. We can talk more at lunchtime.
Sounds good. Bye for now, Mark.
A rainy morning coffee chat. Good morning, Sarah. Fancy seeing you here.
Mark, good morning. This is a nice surprise.
Yes, It is. It's a bit rainy today, isn't it?
It is. I almost biked to work this morning.
Really? That would have been very wet.
I know. I chose the bus at the last minute.
A wise decision. What are you getting?
Just a regular black coffee to start the week.
Good choice. I think I'll get the same.
Did you have a good weekend?
It was relaxing. I mostly stayed home.
That sounds nice. Mine was quite busy.
Huh? Did you do anything interesting?
I helped my friend move to a new apartment.
That's a lot of work. You are a good friend.
Thanks. It was tiring, but we had fun.
I can imagine. Are you feeling ready for the week?
I think so. I just need this coffee first.
Me too. I need to prepare for the team meeting.
Oh, I forgot about that meeting. Is it at 10?
Yes, it is. Thanks for being on time for things.
Of course. Punctuality is important.
I agree. You seem a little quiet today, though.
Oh, just thinking about a big project.
Are you really okay? You can talk about it.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate that. It's just a tight deadline.
I understand. Deadlines can be stressful.
Yes, but I will manage it. Don't worry.
Okay. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you. I will remember that.
So, did you grab a quick coffee before work often?
Not really. Only on rainy days like this.
It's a nice way to start the day.
It is. It feels cozy in here.
The coffee here is better than the office coffee.
I totally agree. It's much better.
Well, we should probably head to the office soon.
You're right. What time is it now?
It's almost 8:45 a.m. We have some time.
Okay. Let's finish our coffee slowly then.
Sounds like a plan. No need to rush.
Exactly. Let's enjoy this small moment.
I'm glad we ran into each other.
Me too. It's a great start to my Monday.